Hi, it's Kiffin Lobates here, and today I was thinking a bit about the fact that we discuss all the complexities surrounding blockchain in terms of making ownership of tokens decentralized, for example, building consensus and having a system where trust is no longer required because it's implicitly coded in. But when it comes to blockchain, there are of course a lot of use cases where you're only concerned about one particular feature of the blockchain, not the whole package. And I'm thinking here in analogous terms to, for example, web frameworks. If you take something like Django or Drupal, as a programmer, you're probably initially only using 5%, if that, of the features and functionality that such frameworks provide. And today I was having a specific discussion with Anton Valle about him wanting to use blockchain purely as a means for securely storing the number of credits that people have purchased for his site. So he's not looking to have a truly decentralized multiple node blockchain setup. It would be used as a database backend to a web system, but from what I understand anyway. But then he's relying on the security that it provides. So rather than having a database storing the credits, using a blockchain could add further security and stop people from being able to hack it and create further credits at will. So there's a use case where you're just focusing on one particular feature of blockchain and you're ignoring the majority of what it provides, and of course that's a perfectly valid use case. So I found that rather interesting, and actually personally I was looking at blockchain, a couple of other features of blockchain. One was to use it to create an immutable database, and now Amazon provides something like that as a service. And another use was the synchronization effect that blockchain has. If you wanted to synchronize multiple databases in a sort of non-master and a bunch of slaves way, and then you can do that too. And in fact that was the basis of my Blockbinder product, which is now on ice because there wasn't actually demand in the market for that. But there are lots of little pieces of blockchain that actually bring value in and of themselves, and I'm kind of wondering, are any of you out there using just one facet of blockchain in order to achieve something? Because of course there are excellent robust code bases out there. Things like, for example, multi-chain or Hyperledger provide a well-tested framework that gives you these features without you having to roll them yourself. I'm interested to hear if you've had any experiences like that. That's it for today. Bye for now.